Hi, my name is Karen, and I'm the Program Coordinator for Elemed Mentoring Academy. Today, I want to give you a bit more background about the program and hopefully answer all your questions. You may think that Elemed Mentoring Academy is just about having access to a mentor, but it's not. Elemed Mentoring Academy is a hybrid program that's designed to help you become more effective in your roles and is taking place in partnership with reps. Our three pillars are mentoring, training, and network. You will get monthly mentoring sessions with an industry leader worth of 90 minutes per month, a minimum. You will get access to at least 1 hour per month group training sessions focusing on developing key skills needed to be more effective in your role. And on top of that, you will also become part of a virtual support network with other mentees where you can share your experiences and your ideas. One thing that you may not know about Elemed Mentoring Academy right now is that we donate 30% of profits to charities of our mentor's choice. So you may wonder if the program is right for you. If you are a regulatory, quality, or clinical professional working in the Medtech, IVD, or pharma industry, and if you're looking for professional and personal growth, or looking to take the next step in your career, this program is definitely one for you. I want to give you a little bit of background about who our current mentees are in terms of their job title and their experience. The range goes from head of department to specialist and includes everything from 2 to more than 15 years of experience. In terms of job functions, our mentees come from regulatory, quality, and clinical background. You can be based all around the world if you would like to participate. You can see here a little breakdown of our current mentees and where they're based. Now, I want to tell you a little bit more about the structure and our mentors. So, I already mentioned that our program has 3 different pillars. Let's dig a little bit deeper into that. You will have monthly mentoring sessions with an industry leader, which are absolutely personalizable to your needs. You are the driver in this relationship. The timing, so when you guys meet, is completely up to you, and you will have to clarify that with your mentor. We have some tools and resources for the mentoring sessions to give you some structure and support, especially if this is the first time you're participating in a mentoring program. We have something on setting goals, a first meeting checklist, how to be a good mentor and mentee, example agenda on how your mentoring sessions can look like, and some more resources and tools. This is all uploaded on our online learning platform, and you will get access to it once you are enrolled in the program. The first meeting checklist includes stuff like what to do before the first meeting, what to do during the first meeting, and what to do after the first meeting. And we also have created some journals for you to keep track of your progress. The guidelines on how to be a great mentor and how to be a great mentee are supposed to align your expectations upon each other. The second pillar are the group training sessions. Like I mentioned, you will have monthly live group training sessions with experts that you can participate in. Each month has a different focus topic. So these are the topics that we will be focusing on during the 7 months of the program. Soft skill development, entrepreneurial and business skills, personal change and career advice, leadership skills, stakeholder management, and networking skills. The sessions are usually taking place around 5:30 or 6:30 p.m. CET to ensure that all people from all different time zones are able to join. If you can't make a session, they will be recorded and made available for you to watch on demand. I have a selection of trainers for you in case you're wondering who we're bringing on to hold these training sessions. And here are some more. Our third pillar is the support network. So we have a WhatsApp group for silver and gold mentees that you can be enrolled in. We also have monthly mentee roundtables where you can get to meet new people, exchange ideas, celebrate successes, share your experiences in a more personal way than in the WhatsApp group. The timing is the same as for the training sessions because we want to make sure that everyone has the possibility to join. So they're usually taking place around 5:30 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. CET. And those roundtables are not recorded as they're more personal. Here you can see an example of our WhatsApp group. Next, you may be wondering who our mentors are. So I want to give you a little bit of insights about their job title and their experience as well. You can see that our mentors are very experienced people. We have directors, VPs, entrepreneurs, and business owners, head of departments, managers, everywhere from 5 to 10 to over 15 years of experience. In terms of their job functions, you can see that most of them are working in regulatory, quality, and clinical, and some even have some other experiences as well. In terms of company size, most of them are coming from medium-sized companies, as well as from global corporate with over 10,000 employees. Here is a selection of our mentors. You can just pause the presentation. Now that you know what our mentors look like, you may wonder how we ensure to make a good match. We do hand-selected matches, which means that we're not using any software to pair you with your mentor. All mentees have to fill out a questionnaire after registration, asking them about their experience, long-term career goals, what they're looking to get out of the program, focus areas of interest, ideal mentors, etc. Mentors have to fill out a similar questionnaire, and based on this information, we do the matching. Here are some example questions from the questionnaire. All right, let's have a listen to what some of our mentees say about the program. If you would like to have a read, please pause the presentation so you can take your time. And here is another slide for you. Perfect. Now that we've covered that, you may wonder, what's this academy about? So we have an online learning platform which you will be enrolled to after you've become a mentee and we've matched you with your mentor. Our online learning course is called Elemed Mentoring Academy, and you can find all the tools and resources I showed earlier on, as well as recommended readings to start you off for your mentoring relationship. You will also find 20 hours of pre-existing training and content from day one. We're not planning to recycle the content from our previous program, but instead keep the growth and provide new insights on interesting topics. On the e-learning platform, you will also find all the recordings of the live training sessions to watch on demand, and some additional guides, tools, and resources that will be added throughout the program. You may wonder, what's your return on investment? And here's what you get. Included in the price is the mentoring, the group training, the networking, as well as also the over 20 hours of pre-existing content, a certificate upon successfully completion of the program, as well as rec credits for recertification. And just to remind you, we donate 30% of the profits to a charity. You may wonder if we have different pricing models. And yes, we do. We have 3 different packages for you: bronze, silver, and gold. Now that you know that we have 3 different packages, you may wonder, what's the difference between them? Here is the direct comparison of the 3 different packages and what you get for your price. If you want to have a little read, just pause the presentation. All right. Now, I'm wondering, what are you waiting for? Spaces are limited, so sign up now. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to just jump onto the chat in the bottom right-hand corner of the website where it says chat with our team, and I will be available to have a little chat with you. Speak soon.